Cute white cow. So check. Oh no, the cow doesn't like this calf. Mighty black secret sitting in the water. So this is the rainy water, but still okay for them. They are relaxing. Check. Here, see this mighty cows. Don't come, don't come, don't come. No. So, so the thing is that cows are not sitting in the water. They are scared, I think, from this water. See here, really beautiful cows. So all these cattle, here you check. See this beautiful, cute white cow. So check this. So these three are separate. So the buffaloes have their own family. They like to sit in the water. See. Running. So check. Oh no, the cow doesn't like this calf. She's attacking. So buffaloes are still relaxing. No reaction from their side. So check this video. She's looking angry. So that's all from here. I'm leaving now.